Google Chrome is a very popular web browser. Every day, billions of internet users use it to browse the web. Chrome is known for being reliable and easy to use, but some users may have trouble with it sometimes due to many different things. Lucky for us, there's a quick way to fix all kinds of problems with Google Chrome: factory reset. In this guide, we'll show you how easy it is to restore Google Chrome back its defaults. Even if you reset Chrome, your saved passwords, bookmarks, and history of sites you've visited won't be lost. After a reset, there are a few things that will be different. After a reset, extensions and themes will also be turned off, so you'll need to turn them back on. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. Open Chrome. Go to Chrome settings by clicking on the three dots at the upper right and clicking on Settings. Click on Advanced in the left panel. Click on Reset and Clean Up. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click the Reset Settings button. There is a small chance that some Windows users won't be able to reset their Google Chrome browser. Others have also said that they can't open or load their settings menu. Chrome might have a problem that a factory reset can't fix in any of these situations. You'll have to delete Google Chrome from your Windows computer and re-download it. Here's what you need to do. Make sure to close all Chrome windows. Click the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Click on Settings. Click Apps. Go to Apps and Features. Scroll through the list and find Google Chrome and click the More icon. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall. To allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.